Hello everyone! Today we are going to paint my favorite plant, which is of course a fern. This tutorial is super easy and it's really made for beginners that want to play with colors, so I hope you will like it. We are going to use 3 different colors, and the idea is to do a gradient, so to start with a beige, then with a vibrant green, and then finish with a dark green. You will find the exact colors that I use in the description below. I always keep a paper next to my painting to try the colors and see if they look nice next to each other. So first I sketch just one simple line to give the direction of my fern. And now let's paint. I start with the top of the fern with a really light beige, so with a lot of water. And then I add pigment the more that I go down. So I'm adding more and more of this vibrant green color to the beige. You start with little leaves and after they get bigger and bigger. Try to follow the angle of the line we traced before. As you can see, when I paint a new leaf, it touches the leaf that I did just before. It's made on purpose so the pigment can mix together and it gives a really nice gradient. To do this, you just need to be sure that the leaf at the top is still wet when you are adding a new leaf. Otherwise, the colors won't mix and it will give you really harsh lines at the borders. I'm adding more and more pigment. I'm also painting the line in the middle of the fern. I'm switching the color a bit by putting a desaturate darker green. And then I'm adding more and more dark green pigment. To paint the leaf with your brush, you can trace the borders and then you can paint the inside with the rest of paints you have in your brush. Now that I am at the bottom of the fern, the leaves get smaller and smaller and I add more dark green to make the bottom darker. And finishing by tracing the end of the line. So here we are, this is our really nice and cute fern. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, it will be highly appreciated, and I will see you in the next tutorial.